After Olinda Shepherd has finally apologized to Kelsey sister Dion, let me just read apology at your Panapans na Olinda public apology. I would like to publicly and sincerely apologize to Kelsey Tafrenyika for my words and actions. I acknowledge that I mentioned Kelsey by name and used offensive, disrespectful, and unacceptable language, including swearing and name calling. There is absolutely no justification for what I did. My behavior was wrong and I take full responsibility for it. I deeply regret the harm, disrespect, and distress I caused Kelsey. I humbly ask Kelsey for forgiveness and offer my sincerest apology. I also want to make it clear to everyone that this situation should serve as a lesson. No one should mention, insult, defame, or disrespect others publicly or privately. Words have consequences, and we must all be mindful of how we speak about one another. I commit to learning from this mistake and to conducting myself with greater respect and responsibility moving forward. I'm making this public apology to Dion with full accountability for my actions. I deeply regret the way I treated Dion and acknowledge that my behavior was harmful, disrespectful, and completely wrong. I used demeaning and insulting language towards her, spoke about her in a degrading manner, and spread false and misleading information that damaged her character and reputation. These actions are unjustified and caused unnecessary pain and humiliation. Most seriously, I crossed an unforgivable boundary by involving Dion's child. I made statements and took actions that attempted to interfere with Dion's relationship with their child, including trying to control or influence how a child appeared on social media and suggesting that a child should be kept away from her. This was wrong on every level. No one has the right to interfere with a parent's bond with their child, and my action showed a complete lack of respect for Dion's role as a parent and for the emotional well-being of a child. I also posted content involving Dion online without her consent, further violating her privacy and escalating a situation that should never have been made public. I failed to consider the lasting emotional, psychological, and reputational impact of my actions, not only on Dion but on your child and family as well. There is no excuse for what I did. I take responsibility for my words, my behavior, and the harm I caused. I understand now that attempting to interfere with a parent-child relationship is deeply damaging and unacceptable, and I'm truly ashamed that I allowed my behavior to reach that point. Dione did not deserve this treatment. She deserved honesty, respect, and dignity, as well as the right to parent a child without interference, manipulation, or public scrutiny. I failed to uphold even the most basic standard of decency. I'm sincerely sorry to Dion for the pain, stress, fear, and emotional distress my action may have caused. I also apologize to your child and loved ones who were impacted by my behavior. I understand that an apology does not undo the harm, and I accept that forgiveness may never come. I want to be clear that this conflict was never about a man, and any suggestion or implication that it was is false and unfair. I take responsibility for allowing misinformation and harmful narratives to spread. And for all other parties whose name I mentioned, my sincere apology. It wasn't meant disrespectfully, though that wasn't not the intention. With regret, Olinda. Ndofunga manyatsoinzwa apology yacho kuti yange yakareba ukatoona zvadaisontoziva kuti things are not okay. Munhu atoona kuti panapa ndinogona kutonyora. But before 16 isati yasvika, let me just issue an apology. I'm sure lawyer rake also ndiye drafter this apology of what tingoita apology yacho because hapana chaunombobva ndochokwadi. Pane vari kuti hanzi nyika yakutotongwa nemaslay queen. I don't know about that, but ndo zvatongobuda panapa kuti slay queen ndo ratonga, nothing else. Manzwa here kuti apology was directed to Kelsey first, and then Kelsey ndiye akaudzwa nezvekudana naCollins, hure raCollins, hey what ndiye akatanga kuapologizwa, and then the second apology was Dion papazonzi mwana, and then umwe wese angogeneralize kuti kana ndakamenshina any other person, sorry for that. So ndopatava senyika apa kuti Dion wacho akatobhulawo futi Mainandi, ndopari kundirwadza ipapo. Mainandi was also bullied. Should Mainandi go and lay a charge? Because apa kana zvakuda zvekuratidzana masimba chaizvo, Mainandi can also, she was also cyberbullied. Mutemo ngauite fair ipapo. Mainandi was bullied. Yes, Kelsey was bullied. Dion was bullied na Mainandi. Mainandi go and lay a charge again. Chiri kuitika ndechekuti Mainandi kuti vaite lay a charge against vanhu ava. Because Mainandi, I'm sure she's the one who went and reported first. But because havana vanhu vari powerful pavari, apology yavo was meaningless. Ndo zvandiri kuonawo, I don't know, ndo zvanditaonawo panyaya yacho iyoyo kuti rich aunty vatoiswa pakona chaipo kutonzi imimi mofanira kutoapologize. ZANU-PF kana yado zvainoita kuti utongonyura, ndo zvangoona kuti sisi panapa ndingade kunyura, she needs to go back. 16 kuri kutaurwa uko ndofunga watoona kuti kure. Ko British Embassy iri kupi nhai pakadai so? Mwawa achinyudzwa. Apa passport yakatorwa, ndo zvinenge zvakunetsa. Achingoipiwa Olinda ngaamhanye zvake kunokwira ndege yemanheru iwawo kana kuti that very moment ngabva atongochuza ndege iri available obva atongoshaika muno muZimbabwe. Because what's the point? What really is the point of her being in Zimbabwe if things are like that? Ngasiya zvake kuita makwikwi nevanhu ava. I'm not co-parenting yacho naStana zvichafamba sei andiziya hangu kuti from now onwards what's going to happen, because Stana chatoziya ndechekuti anoda mwana wake, ndo zvatoziya izvozvo. And advice yandingangopa Olinda, I think she must stay away from Stana. Stana ndiye aunza zvese zvimaproblems ese aya. If she wants to be fine, stay away from Stana, please. Ngaende ku-UK adzokere zvaStana zvingambosiyane nazvo. Hameno manje nenhumbu nechii kuti zvinozofamba sei hainzi iripo nhumbu yacho. Regai azoti I'm not okay nezuro because zvinhu zvacho zvakatomuwandira. Ngabvunze Holy 10 kuti what really happened. Holy 10 aka-offer apology faster pasina kana time, akati panapa ndingatozotadza kudzokera kuZimbabwe because angari kuSouth Africa paionererwa Holy 10 ndobva azoti let me apologize, let me give a public apology kune the Mnangagwa, they are my brothers, what and also Kamchacha kaitwa ipapo naShingizi wange. Saka zvinhu zvekudhila nevanhu vekuZANU-PF zvikaizvi ma1 chaiwo, ndo anonzi ma1. Let me just finish off nema-comments ari panapa. Hanzi ZANU iya yotongwa nemahure. Vanhu vari kutaura it's not me. And then hanzi nyika kuparira kusvika pakuti nema-small house akutonga makoti, they are untouchable, chisingapere chinoshura. We geza kwamuri muri kutoona here vageza, mukuona here zviri kuitwa nyika panapa. Shuwa nyika yedu yaparara shuwa. Kwangu sina zvakadai songoya Mugabe yekunzi vana vapresident vazodai so vaibehave, vana vaive ngoya baba wavazotanga kumisbehave izvezvi ndo zvazotanga kuitika. But anyway, hanzi nemwe panapa, loving the wrong man can disgrace you. This is so painful to read a whole CEO in this mess. Aiwa vadzidza rich aunt, ndo zvazvinoita kuda kutenga varume vacho vanokuwisidzira pasi kudai. So trouble will always follow you if you are with the wrong man. If you chose the wrong man in your life, murume ane drama ndo zvaanongokupedzesera angozongokuita kudai. So veduwe, hameno toita seiko nekanyika kedu kano katipot country kekuti tinenge chingomhanyiswa chidai so ndikafunga kuti South Africa vanototi president wavo cupcake. But kunoku aiwa you cannot do that. Nyika yaMnangagwa hauite mafanizi nezvinhu zvisina basa rese.